Dr. Matt Lasorsa. I'm here at Chain of Lakes Dental in Windermere, Florida with Wanda. And I hope you can hear me. We're still under COVID restrictions, so I still have a gown, a head cap, 2 masks, and eye protection. But Wanda has gone through the fixed on 6 procedure. She couldn't wear her upper denture, so we put some implants on her upper, and she got her restoration last week, right?
Correct.
And she's done very well, and I'll let her talk about it.
It is perfect, and I have to tell you, come and see Dr. Lasorsa because he is technical and perfection, and he did a beautiful job, and he took his time, and all I'm saying is these are beautiful. I'm eating, and I just got them in a week ago, and I'm happy.
Can you smile for me?
And you said you just had pork chops, right?
I just had a pork chop close to the bone, and everyone was amazed. And I thank him.
Well, I'm glad you're happy. I think they came out really nice. You did very well through all the procedures, and you were patient too because we had to shut down for a while. But we got through that. We got your teeth in place,
And here I am, looking beautiful like ever.
and I couldn't be happier.
And 10 years younger.
At
What have we
least.
got in here?
Right?
I hear all this ranting and raving. Oh, don't take
Oh,
a picture.
sure.
Too late. You're in the video.
That's all right. You made it.
And thank you, Tanya, for being patient with me.
So sweet.
Thank you.
Okay.